Good morning, video friends. Whether you're in kindergarten, second grade, if you go to the school Lucas and I attend, or if you're just watching as an online learner. If you're a part of Midway or the preschool ASP, welcome. So we talked about butterflies yesterday, and we read some books, and I showed you that the caterpillars we got in the mail. So one of the neat things that we learned is butterflies like certain plants. So as part of living and non-living and the plant life cycle, we thought that we would plant some plants that butterflies, other birds, and hummingbirds, and again, definitely butterflies enjoy pollinating and eating from. Oh, I didn't tell you hey. That's enough dirt for now. Lucas, did you want to say hey?
Hi!
Okay, so what we're going to do it two ways because I thought it would be neat to do like a comparison. So I'll show you some of the seeds we picked up. We have a wildflower pack that says is for birds, butterflies mix. And we have another wildflower mix that says it's specific to hummingbirds. So what we're going to do is we kind of did, we would like, Lucas and I were talking, and in the past, you know, with our lilies, we've planted just in our little pots. Oh, it's really heavy, buddy.
Okay. Can I touch it?
In just a minute, let some of the water soak up. So, yeah, go ahead and pat it down. So we have our pots.
This one's muddier.
No, the water's still soaking up.
Oh.
So we have our pots.
Okay, that is not yet ready.
And then we have three pots. We're gonna do for these pots, we're gonna do a little bit of each seed, and then I'm gonna have it labeled. I've used this little stand in the classroom before. I think I originally ordered it from Scholastic, so when I did, it came with different pots and labels and stuff.
Wait, was I even born?
Yes.
When you got this?
Yes, it was when we were at Midway, when I taught the pre-K.
Oh, yeah!
So we have these we're going to put in.
She did. She got it from
in
Scholastic.
each pot to follow. And another thing we read about that butterflies like is mint. So I found some mint seeds. We're going to put that one in the middle.
Can also freshen your mouth, like mint candy, mint.
Another thing that we really thought, so we have just our plants. In the past, Lucas and I have also used these little greenhouses. So we're going to do
they make Mickey Mouse ones and butterflies.
We're going to do a little comparison to see which way the plants grow better in just the plant pots or, like I said, the greenhouses. And when you get the little greenhouse kits, you cut the tray and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a smaller one, pellet trays. And we had to pre-soak the pellets before the video with water. And the instructions to how to use the greenhouses come with a little pack. So we had 2 of those. And basically, the instructions say you put 2 seeds to each pellet. So we're just going to do a comparison to see which way the flowers grow or how fast, you know, just kind of watch them and do an observation that way. And then when you put the seeds on to help them grow, that's like the little miniature greenhouse that has a lid. So we're going to start. How's this soil doing?
Sorry about our dogs. They're barking.
We're outside. It's fine. So we got a little bit too much water.
And everyone knows what soil and water make. Mud.
Because you don't want too much water in your soil or mess with the starting growth of your seed.
And can I go?
Put a little bit more
dirt.
Dry dirt in here so we can mix it up. It got too wet.
Okay.
Check this one. Oh, yep, too wet. Get some here.
Now can I touch it?
Yeah, mix it up. Put some in here too. Remove our seeds. This one did great. So no, you got to mix it up, buddy. Don't just put it on top. Mix it up.
How do you do that?
And you put a little, and then you take it, and you got to get messy with it.
Oh, I love dirt. It's one of my favorite parts that God made. And by the way, did you know God made like a lot of stuff?
Okay, so now I think I've got the right amount of moisture for this one. How about you, Lucas?
No.
You need a little bit more. So we're going to put some more wet in, kind of layer it. All right, so we're going to put some seeds. We're going to start planting our seeds in our pot. Oh, Loki's trying to photobomb. So we know that we're going to...
Stop.
I'm going to rinse my hands off real quick for the seeds. Just rinse off his.
Oh.
All right, so I want to start with the bird and butterfly mixture. And I'm going to start it on this closest to Lucas. And then we're going to put all mint in one. And then we're going to mix. So I'm going to do 6 butterfly and bird mixtures. And then I'm going to do 6 hummingbird. And then this next tray is just going to be all mint. And what I'll do is just make sure when you do this, you label your flowers. So Lucas, while I'm dropping them, this mixture, in the pellets, will you go ahead and in this one, make a couple of finger holes with the dirt?
How many?
Do 3. See how 3 looks.
Okay. 2. We're actually doing 4 then.
Just do 3 because you don't want to overdo it.
Ooh, you should
4
read.
pellets going.
You should read the Lorax to them.
Well, that's going to be closer to Earth Day. I always save that for Earth Day.
Oh yeah.
But we will do some planning on Earth Day. I've already got that set up. Okay, so that's 6. Have you got your holes for this?
Yeah.
So I'm going to drop some seeds in.
Those don't really look like seeds.
Yeah, some of them don't. Check it and measure when you see dry flowers and some of the stuff that blows off of them. That's their seeds blowing away. And then they blow and they make flowers somewhere new. So cover those up. And we'll make sure that we do wildflower mixture for birds. So now I'm going to skip this middle one because that one's going to be our mint. I'm going to do the wildflower for hummingbirds.
And make sure you put them in each 6.
Yep, they get 6 too.
And the mint gets 12.
Now that's what that one looks like. And
I have no 12 fingers, but I have toes to count.
And then if you can see, a lot different looking. It's kind of hard for me to angle my hand to see. So we'll, while I'm planting them, go ahead and do your little finger hole there.
Pinky hole. Wait, Mama.
And we'll plant some of these in a potter to stay outside. It's fine. It's a seed.
Yeah, but it's not
fine. We'll plant some of these in a planter outside here. And then we'll take some to what y'all will visit later, the lake, my Nana and Pop Pop's lake and stuff. I want to do some video recordings for that, some outside adventures for there, especially when we advertise for Cub Scouts. You got them?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Now, kids, everyone knows what 6 plus 6 is. It's 12.
Okay, so we have our wildflower hummingbird, and we have our wildflower bird and butterfly. So now we're going to plant our mint. I'm going to do 1 mint in the middle. So while I'm doing the mint, I want Lucas to go ahead and in the middle do some little finger holes.
With my pinky.
Let's see if I... Oh, these mint seeds are very tiny. It's
How tiny are they, Mama?
Very hard to see.
How tiny are they?
We'll end up...
Losing them?
Smell the pack.
Ooh.
Okay.
Fresh.
I'm planting them in. Like I said, the mint is going to have their own tray all together. I wasn't sure how they would mix with the flowers.
Mm-hmm. And you know how tough they'll get. Get it? It's a joke. Get it?
All right, so we'll just go.
I
don't have quite enough to fill up all the pellets.
So
we did, it looks like we got 8 pellets, and then I put some in our pot here.
okay. So kids.
Okay, so
kind of like me.
we've got our peppermint planted, and then we have our wildflowers planted, and then we'll have them planted just in the pots. And you guys can follow along to see our comparison and see which one grows the fastest or the healthiest. You can follow along and look. I'll be posting pictures and video on updates on all our flowers. Whether you're following the butterfly story, the flower story, or the lily story, you can stay posted on our flower and life cycle living, non-living science adventure. All right, so we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Have a good day.